Sinubukan mga harangin hindi natinag ang produksyon ng food delivery documentary film para ihatid ang kanilang istorya. At para bigyan tayo ng detalye sa official screening, live mula sa Makati ang ating kasamang si Monique Tuzon. Monique, how's the show coming along?
Yes, hi Karina. It's finally here. Food Delivery, yung latest docu-film by multi-awarded director Baby Ruth Villarama showing na dito sa Makati. Known for her powerful storytelling and deep understanding of the Filipino experience, Villarama is back with a timely and thought-provoking narrative that dives into the lives of those behind the meals we often take for granted. Our fishermen and the soldiers who deliver the food to those at sea. But this isn't just your usual feel-good flick. Food Delivery peels back the layers of labor, love, and survival at sea, reminding us that behind every order is a story, a struggle, and a human being with dreams. Some government officials, opposition figures, analysts, diplomats from different embassies, businessmen, and members of the press are all gathered here tonight, eagerly awaiting for the premiere. And in just a few minutes, the curtains will rise on what's already being called one of the most important Filipino films of the year. Now, we'll be speaking to special guests later on, but for now, Direct Baby Ruth Villarama is here and ready to chat with us. Hi, Direct. First of all, congrats on this film. How does it feel now that mapapanood na yung film nito ng mga kababayans natin?
Thank you, Monique. Thank you, Billionario, for hosting us here. Tonight is a special night because for the first time, we're gathering local and foreign correspondents to watch this film together with policymakers and representatives of different embassies. So I remember 28 years ago, a local journalist and a group of foreign correspondents went to Scarborough for the first time and put our Philippine flag there. So after 28 years, biglang nagsama-sama ulit sila ngayong gabi. Unprecedented ito to champion a story and to champion our fisherfolk.
And I know this was no easy feat, making and showing this film. What would you say was the most challenging part in creating this docu-film?
Actually, nakalimutan na nga namin yung hirap. Sabi nga nila, ang pinakamahirap na assignment ay sa gitna ng dagat at na walang isla. You are 15 hours away from the nearest island. Pero ang pinakamahirap na pinagdadaanan ngayon ng film ay ang self-censorship. Tulad ngayong gabi, isang sinehan lang ang nagbukas ng pintuan, which is Rockwell Cinema. That's why we're very thankful that Rockwell opened their doors for our Filipino audience to witness the film. So we're very grateful to that.
Now, while creating this film, Direct, what was maybe the most emotional moment for you this whole time? Because this was so hard, right? You guys are in the middle of the sea. What was the most emotional moment for you, seeing the Filipino fishermen struggling or those soldiers bringing the food supply to those at sea?
Well, for me, the most emotional event in my life that it will be forever be in my memory is really how beautiful the West Philippine Sea is. Like, ang ganda ng isla natin. It's a billionaire's dream. It's a billionaire's paradise. That's why ngayon naintindihan namin bakit siya pinag-aagawan. And of course, the traditional sacred way of fishing, which is the simbada. Our fisher folk are one of the most wonderful human beings that we've met. And kung yung essence ng kalayaan, nararanasan nila yun kasi pag nasa dagat ka, tahimik, and they're in control of their fate, their destiny. Pero kung yun nga, hinahabol sila, parang may hindi tama. And kailangan ipaglaban talaga yun.
No, Direct, I definitely want to try to go swimming in the West Philippine Sea one of these days because I know I saw some of your mga films that you had such a beautiful experience. Like the water was the most clear I think I've ever seen in my life. But I think we have a question from the studio.
Oh, I was just wondering, Monique, and congratulations, of course, to Director Baby Ruth. Gusto ko lang malaman kung nahihirapan na ito ay gawing isang komersyal, na pupunta ka sa sinihan, magbabayad ka. Ano ang pag-asa na ito ay ma-online?
Okay, so Miss Karina is asking, how hard is this going to be basically on how to make this commercial, how people can see this and pay for movie tickets and make this a regular, and also how we can see this online? How hard is that to make a reality?
Alam mo, mahirap gumawa ng pelikula gaya ng food delivery, but tulad ng karagatan, we have an ocean of faith. na naniniwala kami na sooner or later madadagdagan ng mga cinemas. In fact, unti-unti na silang nakikipag-meeting sa amin. Wala pang official announcement, but within the month, I think the cinemas will be open kasi nakita naman nila yung dami talaga ng tao. For the first time nga, yung Rockwell biglang dinumog na ganito karami. So we want to really share the experience and we want to share the film to as many audience as possible, especially students in the provinces and our, nananawagan nga kami sa mga mayors if they want to share this with their constituents. This is the perfect film ngayong Heroes Month.
Corina, pinagpawisan mo ko, pinatranslate mo ko live on TV. Nahirapan yata ako doon. I hope I translated it okay for you. But lastly,
Okay.
Direct, what do you want our audience to take away from watching this film tonight?
No, we just want our audience to appreciate what they have. I know that the story is about the West Philippine Sea, but really the story is about what you have, what you own, your personal boundaries. And if you have an appreciation of what you own, then you're gonna fight for that. You're gonna fight for your right. So this film is a mirror of how precious your rights are as a Filipino. So this is for you.
Thank you so much, Direct, for joining me today, and congratulations. We cannot wait to see the film. Again, that was Direct Baby Ruth Villarama, Director of Food Delivery. And that's it from my end, Karina. Back to you guys in the studio.
Maraming salamat, Monique Tuzon, live nag-uulat sa Makati. Your Tagalog was fine. Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.